Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can give someone else access to your domain on Namecheap. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along even if your screen looks different. So the first thing that you will have to do is go to your Namecheap account, of course, and then once you're already logged in, you will go to the account section and then you will see domain list. So just go ahead and click that. And then here you should already have your domain so that you would actually be able to see the manage option here. So what you will have to do is simply click manage and then you will scroll down to sharing and transfer, and then what you will have to do is basically just click share domain access, and then you will enter the recipient's name, chip, username, or email, and then you will select access level, which is either full or limited, and then you will click share again, and then you will and then by the way, the recipient will get an email and they must accept it. Confirm the access in your domain list again here, and then you will just have to click sharing section. And yeah, that's basically just it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.